Yeah, we want to do chi-square analysis. I think that was what was remaining, and the other result data analysis, which we didn't do earlier. Now it is in the statistics menu. We click it open, and then you can see it's the last one there, chi-square. So now the chi-square data is usually stored in the Excel file, and we click this one to bring up the form, while at the same time we will look for the file and see what is the file content, so that we won't make mistake while we are entering the data there. Yeah, that's okay. And the chi-square, okay, the chi-square has its own. We want to do chi-square on this, but well, let us first of all look at what is there, how the data has been saved in that. So with the chi-square, you don't need to bother about the file name, because you only use one file to save the data, and that is what we call chi data. That's CHI-data. So that is the name of the file that you use to save it. So no matter whatever you are doing, you just save it with that. The computer will look out for it, bring it out, and ask you now to select the one that you want to do. Now let us look for the file and open it. Open. Chi. Okay, that's it. That's it. So you can see the name of the file. You can see the name of the file, chi-data.xlsx. That is, it is also saved with the later version of Excel file format, not with 97 2003. So let us now open the file and see how it is prepared in. Yeah, so this is no, this is not what we want. This is what we want. Yeah, that is it. That is the chi-square. Now, we simply just use this. But supposing we decided to change this construct to something else, the responses to something else. Let's say we use attitude. Attitude for the first one instead of this, and we use skills for the second, and we use behavior. Use the American spelling anyway. You can use any spelling, but American spelling is easier. Then skill. Then well, let's use capacity again. Capacity. And then the last one. What should be the last one? We have used attitude, skills, capacity, behavior, then mindset. Yeah, mindset. Mindset. Yeah, so with that, we have changed the nomenclature of the construct there, and then that is the variables, and then we save that file. Having saved that file, now you can see this is the number of responses. Response 1 to to the 60, that we have 60 respondents that were administered this questionnaire. We have 60 respondents that were administered this questionnaire that borders on attitude, skills, behavior, capacity, and mindset. And these are their answers. Based on their answers, we're able to select this. So now, having done that, we can now put this off. But remember, I said you save after you have generated the data based on the results of your survey. Based on the result of your survey, that is your questionnaire survey, then you put the responses this way. That is during data, we call it data preparation. Put it this very way, and then you now store it. It is what you stored now from the questionnaire that you now use to do your chi-square. Now this chi-square is just for this. Now let us see how it's going to pan out. Now we are going to first of all remove this, and then minimize this, as we are going to make use of it later. And then we can cancel this and repeat the same process again, so that we'll be able to capture the changes we have made. Now the chi-square analysis, let's call it up again. Yeah, so this time around it's now going to come up with the nomenclature which we have just changed. Instead of wares, foods, and so on and so forth, it will now come in terms of, okay, good. You can now see, so what you now have there is attitude, skills, behavior, capacity, mindset, the way we have done it. So now we can decide to choose all of them, or you can choose just any one that you want. So, but now we choose all of them, and then it's not asking us how many number of sections. How many sections do we have? Yeah, let's say we have let's say we have 5 sections, and the number of columns, we also have 5 columns. And then number of respondents, of course we know it is 60 because it was shown to us. And then having done that, this is the chi-square, select sections and this. So now having done that, we just simply click process selection, and of course the chi-square is already done. Now it's now showing us a dialog box which says chi-square test completed, and the results have been written to the file. So some results have been written to file too. So now let us now see how this is. Now you can see this is the expected, the VSP. First of all, the data set used, these are the ones. And then of course, yeah, you now have the analysis section after the VSP logo. Now the chi-square statistics is already given. It's the chi-square statistics is 136.29999 and so on and so forth. Then the p-value is 0.99999 and degree of freedom is 236. So the p-value is showing that it is not significant. It's not significant. So that is what the p-value is showing. And then you can see the analysis here. The analysis here. Then interpretation. There is no significant association between the variables. We fail to reject the null hypothesis. There is no significant association between the variables, so we fail to reject the null hypothesis. That is the interpretation given, and of course the result is saved into chi-gen results there. So that is on that. Now let's go to that file explorer again, and then let's see file explorer. Let's see whether it has. Good. This is the result that we are looking for. We'll click it open, and then voila, that's it. So that's the same results, the same interpretation, and so on and so forth. So that is for the chi-square analysis.